Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhawale Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is explain the break statement and continuous statement. So we will see one by one what are the use of break statement in our programming language and what are the use of continuous statement in our programming language. So firstly we will see what are the use of break statement in our programming language. So break statement is used to terminate the current loop and switch statement, current loop and switch statement. And then suppose we want to uh, break the current flow of program, that time we use the break statement in our programming language. Suppose we use the break statement inside the inner loop, that time inner loop um, uh, immediately terminate or remaining execution start with another loop. And inner loop we use the break statement types, various type of loop. We cannot use break statement anywhere. We use only break statement inside the loop or switch statement or switch case statement. We use the break statement very useful in switch case programming. Whenever we perform the multiple operation, that time we use the switch or break simultaneously. Or we can use break statement for loop, while loop or do while loop. Um, then continuous statement, it is a loop structure. It is used to resume the uh, current flow of programming or skip remaining part. Continuous statement, it is used to executions of current iterations, and it is also used for jump to the next iteration. Whenever we use to create a multiple iteration and we want to jump the next iteration, that time we use the continuous statement. Continuous statement use in for loop, while loop or do while loop. Then continuous statement, there are difference between break statement and continuous statement. Break statement is used to terminate the current loop, and continuous statement is used to resume the iteration or current loop. Then with the help of break statement, we terminate only single loop. Another loop is work as it is. Then in continuous statement, we terminate only current loop and current iterations. uh, uh, that's all about break statement and continuous statement. Thank you so much.